If the Find My option is grayed out on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus, so in this video I will give you a few methods on how to fix your issue. Now just watch this video till the end and follow my steps to fix your issue. So let's get started. Now first of all, just open the control center, and in the control center just go to the connection section. Now just make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi or to the mobile network, and also make sure you have a good internet connection. Now after you've done that, then tap on the airplane mode and turn it on, then wait for a few seconds, and after that just turn it off. And by doing that, you will do a quick network refresh on your iPhone. Now, if you have done that and if this did not fix your issue, then for the next step, just open Settings, and in Settings, just tap on your Apple ID. Now from here, just wait for a few seconds, and on this screen, a pop-up message will appear asking you to accept the terms and conditions. Just select Accept, and after doing that, you will fix this issue. Sometimes this issue appears after a software update, so just make sure you open the Apple account section and check if you received this pop-up message or not. Now, if you have done that, but if this did not work, then just go back to the main settings page. Now from here, just tap on Security and Privacy. Tap on Location Services. Now from here, just make sure you enable Location Services. Now, if this option is not working or if it is grayed out, then for that you will need the password of the parental controls of your iPhone. After you get the password of the parental controls, then just go back to the main settings page and tap on Screen Time. Now from here, just tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now if this feature is enabled, then just scroll down and tap on Location Services. Now from here, just select Allow Changes. Now after you select Allow Changes, then just go back and tap on Location Services one more time. Now from here, you will see that the Share My Location option is not grayed out. Just tap on Share My Location and make sure that all these options are enabled. Now after you have done that, now just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just disable Content and Privacy Restrictions. And after you do that, you will disable all the parental control settings on your iPhone. After that, just go back to the main settings page and tap on Privacy and Security. Tap on Location Services and enable Location Services on your iPhone. Now after you've done that, then just go back to the main settings page and tap on Face ID and passcode. Then enter your lock screen PIN. Now on this screen, just scroll down and tap on Stolen Device Protection. If this feature is enabled, just turn it off. Now sometimes it might ask you to wait for an hour for the security delay. Now if this option showed up while you're trying to disable Stolen Device Protection, then just check your iPhone after an hour and try to disable this feature after the 1 hour duration has been completed. Just make sure that while you're waiting for the 1 hour to complete, do not power off your iPhone, as by doing that you will restart the 1 hour countdown. Now after you disable Stolen Device Protection, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. As you can see, our issue has been fixed. But if this also did not work, then in the Apple account settings, just tap on Sign Out and sign out of your Apple ID. Then just close the settings app and reopen it. Now from here, just sign in back into your Apple ID. Now after you do that, then just go back to the main settings page and tap on General. Under General, just tap on Software Update, and from here just check if you have any software update available or not. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. If you have done all that and if none of these methods worked, then the last thing you can do is just go back to General, and under General just tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, and from here just select Reset All Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on Reset All Settings. Now by doing that, you will not delete any data of your iPhone. You will just reset all the settings of your iPhone in case if you have enabled the setting which might be causing this issue. Now by doing that, you will fix the Find My option grayed out issue on your iPhone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.